Hello friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Hoyewale from Octozi School of Shoemaking and Craft. In this tutorial, I want to show you how I was able to sketch this. Yes, this is a ballerina flat and how we were able to sketch it at the first time, and then having a first sight on it, we're able to transfer a drawing on the last and we're able to represent it on the last. How we're able to do that, that's what we're going to be doing in this video. Please watch it step by step, and at the end you should have a good understanding on how you will be able to get this done. Don't forget, this is an off-cut from our courses. We have the full courses of this on our platform, comprehensively analyzed. Yes, I with an HD video. Yes, this is fully represented on the course. So you like to take that, there's a link in the description of this video. Click that and that's going to navigate you to where you can get this done. Meanwhile, let's go right now to see how we're going to be drawing this out on the last for a first time view. You come over here, you pick your tape, a straight line out. That's one way at which, another way at which you can get your straight line out, a parallel line. And then come back here to undo that same free hand. In here, draw a straight line here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come here to get the mark at which you've marked. Here, to get the mark where it's going to come, and I then come and start sketching it. Balance it. I'll sketch it around. There it is. Okay, so I've sketched it around and I've got this out. This is like what we have. It's now. We've gotten this out. We're going to cut all these patterns out so you can see it clearly. So to come and cut it out so you can see it clearly, you come this way. Open it up now. Okay. So this is it. I've sketched it out. I've got it designed on the last. As you can see, all the directions are so clear. We can get to see all direction of it. But our pattern cannot come in this direction. So let's go now and see how we're going to be able to transfer this, to use this to make our patterns out. Thank you so much for watching to this time. Hope you like what you're saying. If you like what you've seen, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. What you just watched is just an off-course, all out of our full course lab on the platform. We have a full course of this project on our platform. Please, to get a full course of that, there's a link in the description of this video. Go in there and you will be navigated to where you can take a full course of this project. You know, subscribe on this channel, subscribe, and then don't forget to click the notification bell so you get an update of a subsequent upload on this platform. I'm Hoyewale Sunday, and whatever you do, never stop learning.